What's happening, people? Welcome back to the 40th episode of the Mini Adult Troubles. In today's podcast, I have with me Anushka Rathod. Beauty with brains is the most common comment that she gets. A video creator who makes business and economics simpler for the common crowd. Welcome to the show, Anushka.
Thank you, Ayush. Thank you for having me here. It's a pleasure being here, and I hope I am able to be a little professional and not constantly make fun of you.
I'll cut all those part out, don't worry. To start with, how do you feel coming on the podcast?
It's a privilege. I think I
It's a
asked
dream
you to
come
be
true.
on your podcast. I think I asked you to be on your podcast. I mean, I actually came to know about you from your podcast. Like, when I had 1,000 followers, I messaged you like, how do you get these people on your podcast? It's so cool. And I'm on your podcast. That's like legit goals for me.
Right. So I think now people
खुश
will.
करिए तेरे को.
हाँ पता है मुझे. ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स तभी तो केक भेजा था. अब your friends will text me कि how did you get on podcast? फिर उनको मैं यही पार्ट दिखाऊंगा, साले podcast देख ले. Right. To start with, give us your background. क्या पढ़ा है आपने? What are your interests? Where do you stay? A lot of people are curious about that.
So I am from Surat. I was born in Mumbai but brought up in Surat. And I've studied BCom. I've done my post-graduation in tax management and I'm studying for CFA. I've also worked as an investment banker and in a mutual fund. So that's my background. I was going to go for my master's, but pandemic ho gaya and I had to shift my plans by a year. जिस दौरान luckily Instagram ने reels introduce कर दिया. I found reels and I found my Instagram niche, which is doing really well. So yeah, that's my short journey, if I had to say.
Short and crisp, as your bio says. So अब क्या plan है? Are you still going for the masters next year? या अब Instagram influencer is the future?
देख सच बोलूं तो I was honestly considering going for my masters even now, but you know, I would only want to go in a world where I get the opportunities, वो actual university experience मिले तब, which I don't see happening in the next 1 year or 2 years. US education is extremely expensive. If I'm going to spend that much and online class करने it does not make sense. So I don't think 1 साल, 1.5 year things are going to settle. So for now, I'm not. But am I still considering in future? Yes, mostly.
Got it. All right. So talking about yourself, what are the few things people don't know about you over the internet?
I cry a lot. Rose, दिन में एक बार तो I cry. Yeah.
You?
It's I don't have control. Okay, so I'm laughing, I start crying. If I sneeze a lot, I cry. If I'm in a lot of pain, I cry. If I'm angry with someone, I cry. मतलब अगर हमारा कभी झगड़ा होगा ना, I'll start crying. ये मुझे बहुत benefit होता था when I was working because in investment bank बहुत pressure वाला काम होता था और सबको डांट पड़ती थी. मेरे को कभी डांट नहीं पड़ती क्योंकि सबको पता था. All the superiors and all they knew that you know अनुष्का को डांटने का नहीं वो रो देती है.
Wow.
So yeah, that's a fun, not a fun, but a thing that I don't like because people don't tend to take me seriously. But yeah. I cry a lot.
So how would you describe yourself when you meet a stranger? Introduce yourself to yourself.
Oh, क्या चल रहा है पता नहीं. Complete mess, a complete weirdo, complete goofy person, but at the same time so mature that I don't show my age mostly. Like इतना stress, इतना planning करती हूँ मैं, and at the same time I am this complete weirdo and a goofy person who keeps making fun of herself and does this on the internet. So it's a paradox, you can say, my entire persona and my personality. Other than that, if I come to more tangible attributes, I'm someone who loves reading. I do that on a daily basis, and I'm someone who also really likes being in front of the camera because I am prettier on camera, like people say, and that's not true. But no, I generally love talking to the camera because I love talking, giving public talks in general. So I love public speaking, but I'm an introvert in real life. अगर मैं 4 लोग के सामने बैठी हूँ, I won't talk. But मुझे 40 लोग के सामने बैठा दो, I won't stop giving lectures to them. So that's how ironical I am. That's roughly and vaguely how I'd introduce myself.
I think
it's a mess.
The mix of or the mess of the matureness plus the goofiness, that is I think the USP that Anushka Rathod is. वो personality बहुत झलक के आती है when you create videos as well.
And it's necessary, right? The reason I'm able to simplify or add a lot of drama to my reels, which basically talk about some very serious topics, is because how I am as a person. It completely, my personality reflects in my reels, and I'm completely honest. I don't even tell people that I am a serious person, I am alive together. I don't, and I don't even want to be that person.
Yeah. So when did you plan on creating content online? कब से बना रहे हो?
कब से बना रही हूँ is different than when I started planning. To be very honest, even when I was doing my investment banking job, मैं अभी मिली वो दोस्तों से, and they were like, and I was always wanting to do something more creative, something was related to media, and I had like complete paradigm shift even during my internships. Like I went from investment banking to 1 month in advertising, which also not a lot of people know about. So I've always wanted to do something more creative. Didn't really get a sweet spot where I would also be doing my research and my love for businesses and something more creative at the same time. So I think I perfectly, and before even going for my masters, like when I was preparing for it, giving my exams and all, I would be telling people all the time that I want to make these videos. मेरे को 1 साल से मैं लोगों को बोल रही थी कि मैं बनाने वाली हूँ. कभी बनाया नहीं मैंने, क्योंकि एक इनिशियली जब बनाते हो तो रिस्पॉन्स आता भी नहीं है और सब आपकी तरह होते नहीं है कि उनको मतलब चल जाए न्यू व्यूज है तो आई एम सॉरी जस्ट किडिंग but yeah, but then I think I started making it during the lockdown. April में मैंने अपना फर्स्ट वीडियो बनाया था. उसके पहले ना मैं बहुत फोटोज खींच रही थी for some reason, and I used to do travel vlogging and all, which I never uploaded on public platforms. So photos. Photos वगैरह है, मैंने montages भी बनाए हैं. Like I wanted to do something in this industry, but I didn't know where. I started with YouTube videos, and luckily I started making reels, and that took off. But I love making videos. It gives me so much energy, and मैं ऐसा बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रही. I legit find happiness talking to the camera and making videos. So it makes me happy, and that is why I started making it.
Got it. So basically, your inner soul was crying out, "Ki please leave this job and start creating content over the internet."
Yeah, and it's not like content over the internet. I am pretty sure even if I was, going to go for my masters and get a job, I would not have been in investment banking for sure. It would have either been a wealth management industry, or I was also looking at digital. My course was such that it gave me exposure to both wealth management and digital marketing and brand management. So I wanted to shift careers. That was also why I was going for my masters, because investment banking I realized is not for me. So I'm just so lucky, touch wood, that this happened for me, and I'm able to do something which is fulfilling work, and I'm so happy to wake up every day and work because I love it.
Got it. So let's make it a little sadder for you. Imagine ये सब नहीं होता and you're still at like 2,000 followers, 3,000 followers. तब how was your day like? How would be your day like? What would you plan right now?
If I was at 2-3K followers, I would definitely have a backup option also. So I would 100% be going for my masters or planning for my masters or something like that. Or I would have taken a side job till now. When I was actually till 100 and 1,500, 2,000, I was not only making content, I was also a research assistant. So I would have been doing something otherwise to at least, it would have been either two ways. I would have been, found that this is not for me, that YouTube is not for me, and just left everything and gone for my masters and explored this creative plus business space in a different manner. Or I would have, done this part-time and, gave myself more chances, depending on how my experience would have been. Like, would I still, love making videos, and was I seeing some growth, or was I seeing some need that I'm fulfilling with my content? Agar wo hota, then I would have taken a side job to financially sustain myself and still keep at it. It depends on how exactly my content would be performing then.
Got it. Right. So what is your content process? Like content सोचने से पहले क्या process होता है? How do you think and all that? How do you plan?
I think the niche I am in, we can't plan. मुझे परसों भी नहीं पता मैं क्या कंटेंट डालने वाली हूँ. It's very current affairs.
Yeah.
It's very news based. So I have to shoot every second day. Maximum I can shoot is like 3 videos in a day. And on a constant daily basis, even hourly basis, I have to keep reading what's happening, what's going on. कुछ interesting cover हुआ, कुछ interesting movement हुई market में, या कुछ news आया, या someone tweeted something. I mean, I think Mia
Elon
Khalifa's
Musk.
news. Elon Musk, Mia
Yeah.
Khalifa, oh my god, it's so crazy.
Yeah.
And those
Yeah.
are 2 of my highest performing videos. So I am active on various social media platforms. I read a lot of newsletters on a daily basis. मुझे बहुत सारे notifications news के आते रहते हैं, so that I know what I have to cover. And after that, I sit down scripting it. So scripting is actually what takes a little time for me, because I have to like essentially compile, 400, 500 word articles, that to 5-6 articles into a 30-second reel, which is little difficult because I have to convey all the main points to the audience, but at the same time ensure that I'm not giving them very less information कि वो misinformation हो जाए. So that way it's a little tricky to do that. And I take like a good half an hour to 1 hour. After half an hour, you can say, after even compiling all my resources, to comprise it into a 30-second reel. That's how I do it. And if you talk about shooting, I shoot in natural light every second day. I have to shoot. It's mostly every day that I'm shooting. And I have like so many reels which I've never posted क्योंकि और कुछ आ जाता है नया. So in terms of planning, there is absolutely no method here. It's all madness.
Got it. I think this is something people don't really appreciate about content creators कि उनको लगता है हाँ ठीक है बस रिकॉर्ड कर दिया, एडिटर ने एडिट कर दिया, तुमने तो बस पोस्ट किया है, तुम वायरल चले गए. But there's so much of strategizing, scripting, ideation, research that goes behind, जो I think people very underestimate a lot. But that also comes from ठीक है हम भी कर लेंगे वाला behavior, which is not the best to have, right? So how did your parents react to this? Like November से February आ गया. How were your parents? कि ये क्या हो गया? How were they reacting?
So for one, I think my dad is not like very vocal like every Indian dad. मुझे कुछ नहीं बोला, but सब कुछ जाके ऐसे बोलते हैं अनुष्का कितने followers, इतने followers. So मुझे अभी तक I don't think he's directly appreciated me. I think 50K पे एक बार बोला था congratulations. उसके बाद he's never directly appreciated me. But my mom has been my biggest supporter. Even when I was not doing that well, my mom kept telling me that Anushka एक बार figure out your masters and keep doing this, or she was giving me caution, but she never told me stop doing this because it's not working or it does not have a stable career trajectory, and you're already doing so well. You've got like कितना मेहनत करके मैंने GRE एग्जाम दिया था, सारे कॉलेज में अप्लाई किया था, got into a amazing university कि वो छोड़ दे एकदम से, that stop making content. She understood what I really wanted to do, and she gave me the space, but she was always very cautious कि Anushka, you should have a backup option, which I really liked about her. Yeah. She was a stable, she gave me like a stable rational thought process, and when you're not growing वो बहुत hit कर जाता है क्योंकि you're not growing, ठीक है, your daily efforts are not showing and you don't know it. You can get discovered in a week, or you can get discovered in say you don't get discovered in the next 2 years. तो वो एक मम्मा provided a lot of support, a lot of encouragement, but with caution. And as far as अभी का जो चल रहा है, सुबह उठ के मेरी मम्मा पापा मेरी बहन चाय पीते पीते आज इतने फॉलोअर हुए, आज इतने कम में, इस पे इतने व्यू आए, रोज करते हैं. They're my analytics team.
Got it. नहीं, I saw your stories as well. Your mom used to, I think it was a Bitcoin related something. She commented for more Bitcoin related news. Go check out Anushka's page. That was so sweet.
Oh, and DM में बाप रे इतने लोग को mama keeps DMing that oh, you reached 10K. My daughter also reached 10K. Go check her out. She's very sweet. She's adorable like that. Her story मेरी upload करती है. And if I'm doing some live or something, mama also upload like you must know about this. And my mom is an English teacher, so she has people who follow her, and also मेरा marketing तो वही संभाल लेती. My manager is like very slow in that.
Got it. What do you think has been your weakness post your growth?
Editing, definitely. Editing, I want to go.
वो तो पहले भी था, growth के पहले भी था ना. Grow होने के
handling hate comments, it affects me a lot. I think वो भी पहले भी था, अभी भी है.
अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा होगा.
बहुत so एज अ पर्सन आई एम अ पीपल प्लीजर. तो मुझे तो वैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना
Same.
कि अनुष्का हाई फाई, अगर मुझे कुछ बोलता है अनुष्का ये अच्छा नहीं है, हिंदी में वीडियो बनाओ, इतना ड्रामा मत करो, भले 15 लोग आप बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छा है, मैं वो एक कमेंट को ढूंढ के, मैंने बजट की सारी वीडियोस हिंदी में बनाई, एकदम
Yeah.
फ्लॉप गई सारी. सो आई थिंक हेट कमेंट्स एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म, हाउ डू यू एक्चुअली, कितना को you have to apply and how much you don't have to apply into your work is something I'm finding little difficult. I get too engrossed or too affected by the criticism that I get, which should not be the case, because for every one criticism I get, there are at least 5 people who love my work, and you can't make everyone happy. It's not possible on the internet. तो मैं ना 100 जगह से पढ़ के रिसर्च करके भी न्यूज डालोगे, कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, ये फेक न्यूज है. Sorry.
Wise words coming from you.
Yeah, मतलब तो you can't make everyone happy, and you know there are people who are dumb people. तुम इतना रिसर्च करोगे, नीचे सोर्स डालोगे, एक्स्ट्रा रीडिंग मटेरियल डालोगे, और वो अपना एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन देंगे, बट कुछ भी मतलब weird सी चीज which is not even related to it, they'll personally attack you to prove their point. And I think as I grow, it'll keep on happening. And I think specifically for my niche, it's a little more than normal, lifestyle creators or motivational content creators, but a little less than political content creators, like way less than that.
For sure.
जब मुझे बुरा लगता है, I go to Abhi and Neem or Dhruv Rathi and read their
वहाँ पे उल्टा है, वहाँ पे 14:1 का उल्टा है.
हाँ, उनको तो इतना मिल रहा है, अपन ठीक है.
Yeah. True, नहीं, hate comment तो है. I know you're in touch with Viraj, so he also talks about this a lot, that you need to have a thick skin as a creator as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Hate तो मिलेगा.
कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है यार, क्या I have such a great career ahead of me, the traditional conventional career, जिसमें मुझे लोगों के perception या opinions पे रोज, I don't have to put myself out there. I have that. I still have that in my hand. Why am I doing this and mentally torturing myself? But then I talk to the camera and I make videos and I love it. So then I realize why I'm doing it. Everything has its plus and minus, and this is like a major minus, but it's still not that major that I give making videos up.
Got it. So continuing on this question, your weirdest fan interaction or a male interaction that you had? Fan तो भी चलो COVID चल रहा है, but male interaction, male fan reaction or something like that.
I think someone had messaged me or mailed me, I'm not sure, that I'm a sister of someone who's a CA, and he has this attributes, and he's looking for someone who is beauty with brains. I would really want you to marry my brother or like go out with him. Yeah. It's to see people directly आके बोलते हैं I love you, I want to marry you. उससे तो I'm immune. But someone's sister coming and telling it to you, it gets a little more weird at this point.
I think Aji, I shared a screenshot with you. Today you had a live with Anirudh as well. उसमें I think गब्बर करके था ना? Right. सही है. So do you enjoy such like, ठीक है सामने से बकवास है, but back of the mind में अच्छा तो लगता है ना, validation तो है.
नहीं, मुझे तो
नहीं है.
डर लगता है मेरे को ज़्यादा.
डर लगता है? क्यों?
हाँ, because you don't know why these things become crazy obsessions, because इतने सारे, I have to like block a couple of people also, इतने DMs भेज रहे थे मेरे live पे, they comment terrible things and they don't know boundaries, and it crosses the line. So I don't even encourage such conversations. I don't respond to them. और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत भी दिखता है ना, जैसे गब्बर 3 बार देख लेना Instagram और YouTube पे जाके, पहले I block him. And questions I ask, वो question stickers होते हैं, lewd comments people have, like lewd, उसमें इतने questions पूछते हैं. So it I think I personally don't like it at all. इसीलिए मुझे थोड़ा validation भी नहीं मिलता. I just immune it, nothing, no good, no bad.
Yeah, correct. In blocking से तो I've also been recently very very close friend to, तो ऐसे तो कोई views आते नहीं है, but one of my reels, 1 of 100 of my reel went viral. 100 में से एक जाती है, उसमें से एक चली गई थी by chance. 100 हो गई, मेरी 150 हो चुकी है, 150 160 टच कर चुका हूँ मैं, और 3 रील वायरल गई है बस. So anyway, one of the reels went viral thanks to Elon Musk, and उस रील में मुझे इतना हेट मिला जितना मेरे फॉलोअर्स नहीं थे उतने तो मुझे उस रील में हेट मिल गया, जितने व्यूज नहीं थे उतने कमेंट्स आ गए हेट के। एंड मैं
हाँ,
भी मजे में, हाँ हाँ मजे में जा रहा हूँ, सबको ब्लॉक कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है ब्रो, ब्लॉक्ड ब्लॉक्ड ब्लॉक, दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग द होल डे। बट आई गेट दैट व्हाट यू से। ऑलराइट, सो other than business startups, what fascinates you? Sports,
सच
travel?
बताओ,
सच बताओ, कुछ नहीं, खाना?
सोना, नेटफ्लिक्स, खाना, अरे डेजर्ट्स।
सोना?
मेरे को अभी पूछ रहा था कोई व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज, तो मैंने बोला एकदम फटाफट से रीडिंग। सेकंड कोई हॉबी नहीं, ना मेरे को गाने पसंद है, ना मुझे स्पोर्ट्स पसंद है, ना मुझे फ्रेंड से मिलना पसंद है, ना मुझे मतलब it just starts and ends at reading. If I'm like very tired, I'd probably talk to my mother or 2-3 close friends I have,
Yeah.
or you know, I'd go. Oh, I like going on drives, akele, or like with one person who does not talk a lot. So that I like, and I watch Netflix here and there. I love drama on Netflix. So yeah, that's what I like.
Now that we're
But
talking about
my
Netflix,
hobbies start and end at reading.
और कोई सीरीज रिकमेंडेशन ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स?
ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स ब्रिजटन मस्त लगी यार, क्या ड्रामा, मतलब स्टोरी थोड़ी बकवास है बट oh my goodness, I've recently watched it. Even Queen's Gambit, I love
Not seen
shows
that.
which, you know, which show different aspects of women's life in different eras and the complexity of characters. That's why I really like drama.
Yeah.
It's good when you want to turn off and you want to just understand what's happening. Sometimes I don't like really appreciate the way women are portrayed, so it even angers me a little, but it's interesting to see how women are viewed from the perspective of men in the world.
Yeah, got it. Have you seen Peaky Blinders?
Of course, love it.
है
And
ना?
that guy is so hot.
या नाम भूल गया मैं उसका। क्या नाम था?
Shelby.
शेल्बी।
Shelby.
शेल्बी व्हाट? शेल्बी कूपर?
Thomas तो भाई था।
थॉमस शेल्बी was his
वो तो
name,
भाई था
right?
ना।
नहीं, थॉमस शेल्बी was the main character. His brother name
अच्छा तो
was
थॉमस
कुछ और नाम था उसका, मैं भूल गया, but anyway.
मस्त दिखता था, and क्या एक्सेंट थी और क्या
I
पर्सनालिटी,
know.
मतलब okay, I'll tell you what, थॉमस शेल्बी का ही I was watching that series लॉकडाउन में, and Thomas
Same.
Shelby always does these things, right? He finds a solution to a problem which has no solution.
Yeah.
I did that, like, and you know, I used to take inspiration and motivation from him to crack YouTube,
Gangster.
like YouTube. Yeah, this is basically his
Yeah,
mindset,
yeah.
you know, that YouTube is so crowded. It's so, you know, what else can I do? How would Thomas Shelby think in this situation? You know, like I got in that zone of cracking the space out very weirdly, which I don't think really helped, because at the end, reels to maine matlab, it was not like a part of my plan, it just happened. But yeah, that's I took inspiration from his personality and the way he is as a person.
Got it. So, what are your plans for the next 1 year? Not specific to content, overall.
My plans and my parents' plans are very different. My parents want me to get married.
What?
पर लड़का नहीं मिलता, yeah, क्योंकि बहुत लंबी हूँ, luckily मारवाड़ी लड़कों के लिए।
लंबी
That's
है?
good. Yeah, मारवाड़ी लड़कों के लिए, like मेरे समाज में इतने लंबे लड़के नहीं है, so that's what my parents are planning. Like इतना serious नहीं है, but it's just in a fun way they're planning. And I basically want to expand what I'm doing. I want to make a team which helps me make more content. I want to make business, finance, economics videos on YouTube and Instagram.
Yeah.
And I want to make like amazing content. मतलब वो वीडियो बना के खुशी होती है ना कि हाँ यार मजा आ गया. And I want to make this into a business and actually set an example. Like, I'm not saying it just for saying it, but I want to set it an example for people who are especially in my community or situation like me, where, you know, we are not given, like females are not given a lot of opportunities.
Yeah.
So we can still do it. So that
True.
is why, you know, I want to work really hard and do that. I also want to finish my CFA luckily in the next 1 year. हो जाना चाहिए और COVID के वजह से delays नहीं हो. So that's also there. I want to shift to Goa for a month, which I will do after my level 2 gets over. So yeah, that's also on my platter. And I want to, you know, become a little more, I want to take care of myself also thoda. मैं थोड़ा workout वगैरह चालू करना है, meditation चालू करना है. I have been very, मतलब मुझे वो सारे ना जो भी काम में हिलना पड़ता है ना, वो मुझसे नहीं होता. So workout नहीं होता because I have to stand up and
आलसी हो तुम.
वीडियो, हाँ वीडियो वगैरह बनाने हैं, रीडिंग करना है, उसमें क्या बैठे बैठे बेड पे मस्त करो.
सोना
इसलिए मेरे
पसंद
को
है,
मैच भी
पढ़ना
नहीं
पसंद
पसंद.
है.
इसलिए पढ़ना दोनों पढ़ना पसंद है.
Yeah.
So इसीलिए मेरे को मैच भी पसंद नहीं था. मैच के बेड पे लेट नहीं करते थे, टेबल पे बैठना पड़ता था, मुझे नहीं पसंद आता. I am very lazy, so I want to change that, become a little more active, take care of my health, even mental health. Yeah, and I think more or less, I just want to make amazing videos. That's my one plan.
Correct. I think you're already making very, very good videos. Just that you have to take care of your throat and your health. वरना 2 दिन की रील
So
की
it's
छुट्टी
so
हो जाती
funny,
है.
ठीक है. So before I was a content creator also, I used to fall ill every month क्योंकि मैं इतनी चीजों से, I'm allergic to dust, mayonnaise, sour cream, curd, so many things I'm allergic to. मुझे पता भी नहीं आधी चीजें, तो मैं कुछ भी खाती मेरा गला बहुत खराब होता है. And now it's actually hindering my process of making content क्योंकि मैं अभी 3 दिन से शूट भी नहीं की हूँ because मेरा गला खराब था. And I'm pretty sure आप ये इसमें वो काट देगा आयुष, but you won't see the amount of times I'm sneezing or blowing my nose.
You never know.
So it's I don't know. मतलब मेरे को भी for my profession, I was actually thinking I might have to completely stop eating food outside और घर पे ऐसे एकदम उबला हुआ खाना खाना पड़ेगा. That's the only way I can't not fall ill. But देखते हैं.
Right. This is the time where stock reels probably would have come to use. And आज तो रील बनानी चाहिए थी. आज तो 1.5 मिलियन इन्वेस्ट किए हैं मस्क जी ने बिटकॉइन में.
ऐसा चलता नहीं ना, मतलब उसने इन्वेस्ट किए ठीक है, उस पे कुछ कंटेंट क्या बनेगा वायरल. And also I don't really support, like, you know, to invest in cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin specifically just because Elon Musk has. My entire stance on cryptocurrency or Bitcoin in general has been invest in it for the technology, not for trading purposes. So if I make that reel, wo thoda goes against my philosophy and what I've been propagating through my content.
Correct. So you have been talking about this stand as a woman that you are taking in this probably industry or maybe community. Can you dive deeper into that?
I'll tell you a very interesting story. Not interesting story, but like an anecdote.
Only on Mini Adult Troubles. Yeah.
So when I was 19, I went to this investment conclave, which was supposed to be one of the biggest conclaves in India. And all the top-notch people, all the top investors who had, you know, their net worths in thousands of crores had come to attend it. Okay, there were 200 people in the conference. Guess how many females were there?
7.
We were 3. We were 5, but 2 were wives who were accompanying their husbands. We were 3 females. One was my friend only who would come with me, and there was another girl who was accompanying her organization. We were just 3 in more than 200. I think it was almost 250 men. It was such a big imbalance. And even today, when people see women talking about finance or business or economics, they don't take us seriously. It's not meant for us in a way. उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता कि कोई लड़की ज्ञान दे रही है या कोई लड़की financially stable. Now that I've started earning my own money also, you should see how people in the traditional society have, I am aware of my finances and how to invest because I've been in this industry. People don't know that. So they've been advising me as to how I should invest my money. And females don't know because बड़े होते वक्त लड़के क्या बात करते, लड़के गाड़ियों का बात करते, बिजनेस का बात करते, लड़कियां बात क्या करती है, ज्वेलरी का बात करते, कपड़े का बात करते, which is not bad, but we don't talk about money, we don't talk about running businesses, we are not aware. So when someone gives us misinformation, we are prone to falling for it. And that is, you know, it's a stark, and even women who are very accomplished in their fields, they can be musicians, architects, designers, even from science, engineers, all of them, they don't know how to manage their money. They still give their money to their fathers or to their husbands, which is so wrong. True. You should have your own, you should know how to manage your finances, and you should have the basic knowledge to invest. And this stigma as to women are not good with money or women can't invest, or women are only supposed to talk about clothes or jewelry or cooking, that's supposed to go and go in a big way. मुझे तो and you know, coming from my community or my social circle, it's even more prevalent because I come from a little more traditional and a little orthodox family. So bade hote waqt, had it not been for my mother who really pushed me to become someone or, you know, have a career, I would have gone to a finishing school and learned how to cook, how to do needle embroidery. I would have not been shown the opportunities that are there or what I can do with my life and how I don't have to be dependent on a guy. And I very strongly stand for this purpose that is there, that, you know, you should teach your daughters to be independent, fierce, and take space, and not be someone who is adjusting to a male. That's not supposed to be there. I don't know if I answered your question or not. I went too deep into it, but
you did.
Yeah.
So this was the Karthik Aryan version of Anushka Rathod. The Karthik Aryan.
No, when you come to smaller cities, I think even where you stay, you can see this is so prevalent. And
I know. I've been there.
And unless and until you do something about it, you have to take the first step. Metro में चला जाता है सारा women empowerment और feminism का. Smaller cities में आते सब bland, सब ठंडा हो जाता है.
Yeah, so in my experience as well, मतलब मेट्रो सिटी के लोग कहते हैं कि फेमिनिज्म एंड ऑल दैट जस्ट यू जस्ट मेंशन्ड, बट उतना होता नहीं है. इफ यू स्पीक अबाउट द एक्शन, वो कहते हैं ना कि लुक एट द एक्शन ऑफ पीपल, नॉट एट जो क्या बोलते हैं एक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग. कोई फेमिनिज्म नहीं करता है, सब अपनी
चलते हैं. I'll tell you what, मैं जब इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग के मीटिंग्स में जाती थी ना, people used to assume I'm the secretary, I'm the personal assistant, even though I was not. I was a member of a team, I was an analyst. People used to directly assume that I would be the one who's taking all the notes, scheduling all the meetings, sending all the emails, just because I was a girl. And I was the only girl in the entire organization also, except of the HR. So that also. And there are so many infrastructural changes, which I know it goes beyond what I should cover in this topic. But our society is built, if I wanted to use a washroom, there was no washroom made for women in most offices. The smaller offices, bigger organizations, of course, had newer infrastructure. So they had. But the traditional offices that are there, they don't have the provisions for women because there's such less women going to those offices. जो traditional businesses होते हैं, जो traditional jobs होते हैं, small businesses जो होते हैं, उसमें there's no infrastructure for women to work, and that's why less of women work.
Yeah, right. So before my college life, so I have spent most of my childhood. A lot of people don't know, but I've spent most of my childhood in the small city sort of village, कुछ कह लो, in Talcher, which is like 120-30 kilometers from Bhubaneswar in Odisha. ठीक है. So वहाँ पे बस 2 बैडमिंटन कोर्ट्स थे स्पोर्ट्स के, अगर मैं कहूँ, और कुछ था नहीं वहाँ पे, कुछ भी नहीं था. 2 बैडमिंटन कोर्ट, 2 स्कूल्स, DAV पब्लिक स्कूल्स, जहाँ पे मैं पढ़ता था. एंड आई स्पेंड माई होल childhood there, like 1 to 12th. And I have a sister as well, and I've seen her from 6 to 12th. She's like 8 years elder to me. 6 to 12th उसने मेरे साथ schooling करी, and then she went away. And she used to tell me, I remember मैं 7th 8th में था जब वो आती थी घर, मतलब पुणे में रहती थी कॉलेज के लिए, तो बताती थी कि there's such a stark difference between, you know, Talcher जैसी छोटी जगह and then going to a city like Pune in terms of differences in opinions. लोग कैसे बोलते हैं, उसको नीचा दिखाते हैं कि तो छोटी शहर से है, be it anything from, you know, opportunities कह लो, all the things that you mentioned. So that's definitely still prevalent, but I'm hopeful कि our generation, the Gen Zs or the late millennials, we will definitely change this. हम जब बड़े होंगे, we will be 35, 40, 45 probably, हमारे बच्चे होंगे. So we will definitely promote equality for sure. Right. All right, moving on to the lighter section and the last question. The question that I ask everyone on the podcast is 3 series, documentaries, whatever, 3 books and 3 life lessons that you want to share.
Okay, 3 books is easy for me because I read a lot of books.
You read a lot.
So, yeah. So, I actually looked there because that's some of my books, so I can, you know, scan through and tell which books. But okay, so I think one book which everyone should read is Sapiens. It's amazing. It's my favorite book. It tells how humans have
Harari,
evolved, and, you know, how our mindset works. It's not a psychology book, but tells you so much about how human brains and why we work the way we work.
Yeah. I should have it.
You don't have it?
I should have it.
So second book, The second book I suggest is Thinking Fast and Slow. Again, tells a lot about human brains and human mindset and how we function and how we think. First order thinking, second order thinking. It's amazing. You should read that. And third book which I'd suggest is One Upon Wall Street, which teaches in a very simple way and simple manner how to invest in stock markets. It's very important for us to know because stock markets as a whole seems very scary to us. This book is so brilliant, so amazing that it explains all the basics and everything in a very simple manner. So these are 3 books that I'd suggest you to read. Coming to 3 series.
Documentary
series is a little difficult. To be very honest, I don't watch a lot of, serious series. I get all my serious things from books and documentaries. So you should definitely watch Queen's Gambit. I love the series, how it's presented, how, the complexities of being a perfectionist or someone who's, at the top of the game. It's a great insight to their mindset, which I also could relate to a little. Then I would say, which series? Yeah, I watch a lot of sitcoms. So you should watch BoJack Horseman. Oh my God. It's so deep. And if you're someone or not, if you like, today everyone has little mental health trauma, like little, not trauma as such, but little issues here and there. Not necessarily you have depression or you're just sad and, difficult coping up. That actually showcases a person who a lot of us can relate to and how he combats with daily life situations. And how it tells us that if you don't take any action or how is it not cool the way people are supposed to be today, like the way people are told to be cool. Jam sare actors ko hum musicians ko idolize karte, what's actually behind their life and why should you not aspire to be that way? 100%. So that's amazing series.
Tandav. Yeah.
And third series that I'd recommend is Sacred Games, just for the beauty of how raw it has been made. It shows like, how crazy people can become and how the real hustle of, the person from rich to rags and the entire underworld that is there in India, how ruthless it is. It's very raw. It's so vulnerable. It shows a true picture. And I love it for it. It's not filtered in any way. So it's definitely something you should go.
And the life lessons.
Life lesson. Don't take yourself too seriously. Just stop. Don't overthink. Be confident and just jump and do things. No one's going to come and give things onto your platter. Take opportunities. Don't doubt yourself too much. And third, listen to your heart. Your heart knows what you want to do. If you overanalyze, you overcomplicate things, it won't matter and you won't be happy. Like if you listen to your heart and do the work that your heart wants to do or do the things that your heart wants to do, even if you earn little less, even if your, career is not as stable, even if you are dating someone which is not practical, you'll be happy and eventually
Inside story.
No. I'm single. But things have a magical, beautiful way of falling in place or teaching you a lesson. So that's very important. If you listen to your heart, you're not playing safe. You are experimenting and enjoying your life, which is what life is supposed to be. So don't be scared a lot. Have insurance and an emergency fund and then start listening to your heart.
Got it. That was 13-year-old Anushka in 23-year-old Anushka's body giving you life lessons. Thank you so much, Anushka, for the lessons and also your time. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to the podcast.
Thank you so much for having me. Have a nice day.